Today I will guide everyone to grow cucumbers in pots at home. Cucumbers are low in calories and rich in fiber, helping you feel full longer, supporting the weight loss process, helps the digestive system work better and prevents constipation. I cut aloe vera into small pieces and mix it with water to soak the seeds. Aloe vera contains many nutrients and natural hormones that help stimulate root growth. To have strong seeds, I choose old and strong seeds to sow. Pot that seemed like a waste, I can take it and recycle it to grow cucumbers at home. I will use a perforated tree on both sides of the broken pot and take the drawstring. I drilled 4 drainage holes around the pot so that when I water the plant, it doesn't get waterlogged. I took 2 1.5-liter bottles of water cut to throw away kitchen waste and filled the faucet with water to let the water run. I used a piece of wire cut into 4 sections and attached it around the tree so that when I poured water into the bottle, the water would flow along the wire and provide water for the tree to slowly absorb. Soil plays a very important role in growing plants, so I mix rice husks and worm castings with the soil to help it become loose and rich in nutrients. Before planting the soil, I will put a layer of rice husks underneath to keep the soil moist better. Just a few days and the seeds have sprouted and grown into very healthy young plants. I will plant them in large pots. I put the trash in and added some Coke because Coke helps decompose the trash faster. I will put water in the bottle so that the water flows along the electric wire to supply water to the plants. At this stage, the tree has taken root and is growing. I will add soil to the base to help the tree stand more firmly. I add trash to create more nutrients for the plants. To give the plant momentum to grow, I used bamboo sticks to make a trellis for the plant to climb. This is the stage when the tree is flowering and fruiting, so it needs a lot of nutrients. I put worm castings at the base. I pollinate male flowers with female flowers to help stimulate the plant to bear more fruit. Oh, it's amazing that in just a short time the tree I planted has produced so much fruit. Now I will pick it and invite everyone to enjoy it. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.